Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by selecting the cells that contain numbers with unwanted leading spaces. Make sure you work on a copy if the data is critical, because changes can be hard to undo. Once selected, press F2 on one cell to confirm the extra space in the formula bar so you know you're fixing leading spaces, not embedded ones. You'll choose the method now, a formula for precision or a built-in tool for speed, and then apply it to the entire range. You enter equals trim, A1 in a helper column to remove leading, trailing, and duplicate internal spaces. This works when internal spacing is okay to compress. If you must only remove leading spaces and preserve internal spacing, use equals if left, A1 equals, mid, A1 match false mid, A1 row 1 1000 1 equals, 0, len A1, or a targeted substitute routine, but trim is usually simpler. Once the helper column shows correct numbers, drag the fill handle down. You now copy the cleaned helper column and use paste special values to overwrite the original data so formulas become fixed numbers. If numbers remain stored as text, use data text to columns and choose general to coerce them to numeric types. Make sure to delete the helper column afterward. If cleaning appears ineffective, check for non-breaking spaces by using equals code. Left, A1. If you see 160, replace char 160 with a normal space first, and then run trim again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.